Outgoing Orlando Pirates head coach Jose Rivero says praise from fellow coaches ranks among the highest forms of recognition a manager can receive, following warm accolades from Polokwane City counterpart Phuti Mohafe over the weekend. Pirates edged Polokwane 1-0 at the Peter Mokaba Stadium in a tightly contested DStv Premiership clash, with Nkosinathi Sibisi netting the decisive goal. The victory narrowed the Buccaneers' gap behind runaway leaders Mamelodi Sundowns to 12 points, though the Soweto Giants still have 3 games in hand. This was Rivero's first match since the club confirmed his impending departure at the end of the season, bringing to a close, successful 3-year tenure that began in July 2022. Mohafe was quick to salute his opposite number after the final whistle. Mohafe said he's done a massive job there at Pirates. Winning 5 cups in 3 seasons is not child's play. To win a cup every season is no small feat. He's made a significant contribution to our league. Rivero, visibly moved by the praise, emphasized how meaningful such recognition is, and said for us as coaches, getting respect from colleagues is one of the best forms of validation. It's like receiving it from your own players. I came here to help the club improve, and so far I believe we've done a good job. Under Rivero's guidance, Pirates have lifted 3 MTN8 titles and 2 Nedbank Cup trophies, and they are well positioned to add more silverware to their collection before his exit. The Buccaneers are also enjoying a dream run on the continent. They take a 1-0 aggregate lead into the second leg of their CAF Champions League quarterfinal tie against Algerian outfit MC Alger, with the decisive clash set for Wednesday at Orlando Stadium. Domestically, Pirates remain in contention for a 3rd consecutive Nedbank Cup title. They host Maroma Gallants in Sunday's semi-final, continuing a busy but rewarding fixture schedule. Rivera said, "We have this demanding schedule because we chose to be extremely competitive from the very first day of the season. We are still alive in all 3 competitions, and we are embracing every challenge." As the curtain slowly falls on Rivero's tenure, he leaves behind a legacy of silverware, resilience, and a squad thriving on all fronts, testament to a coach who earned not only trophies but also the respect of his peers. On the other hand, retired midfielder Paul Mokola has weighed in on Jose Rivero's imminent exit from the Buccaneers, naming the sole candidate. Mokola told the Far Post publication that Pitso Mosimane is the sole candidate who can give Pirates continuity. Mosimane has been unattached since parting ways with Gulf Pro League outfit due to an unresolved dispute over unpaid salaries. Mokola said, "You know what? That's football for you. Nothing lasts forever," and Coach Jose brought back the smiles on Pirates fans. Pirates supporters go to matches because of him, and the way the team has transformed is because of him. I'm really happy with his contribution to our football. I hope his teachings don't fade away within the team and its players. Lastly, I'm saying bring Coach Pitso Mosimane if you want to continue with what Jose has already built. If you want the league and to conquer Africa, then he is the right person. Furthermore, Bucks supporters will be eager to see who will replace Rivero ahead of the 2025-2026 Betway Premiership. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.